Remove.bg is a powerful AI cutting site that literally cuts out your image background neatly in seconds. This has really helped me get my billboard design. But its effect after use reduces high resolution image quality to a very low resolution quality. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to retain your quality after Remove.bg on your smartphone. Welcome back guys. So we will be needing the app called the PSCC Touch. The link to download is in the description below. Now we open our app and try to access from our photo library the original downloaded image from unsplash.com. So I click on it there. So the next thing I do is to try and get the image size. And so I'll click on this ampersand symbol, so which I'll click on my image size, and then I'm particularly interested in the width, the 2568. So please note the number 2568, for which I'm going to use moment from now. Okay, so I access my cutout image from Remove.bg. So library, album, so that's it there, first image there. So I click on it and then I try to access letter W, which represents width as the bottom part. So I click my 2568, click on OK. So automatically it adjusts itself to the resolution of the background. So the next thing is to select my pixel, okay, which I click on this icon here, select pixel. So I'm selecting the pixel of the very image I imported now, that's the Remove.bg low quality image. So I'm using it to mask out, or I'm going to use to mask out the very image from the background. So I click on the image on the background and click layer from selection. So this automatically marks out the very image from the background. So I blind the other two images, then click on done. So click on done and save. Now when saving, the PSCC Touch does not automatically save like that, so you have to also follow this due procedure. So click on this arrow sign below, so click there and then click and save as PNG, because that's our source file we'll need. Then click on the image you want and click OK. So when you're done, so just wait a moment please. Alright, so when you're done, now let's try to access the photo from our gallery. So on our gallery, you go to the very photo you just did, so that's it there, and on high resolution. So let's see in details. You can observe that here 6.5 MB in size, and then the resolution or the image quality has quite increased. So guys, was this helpful? I would love feedback in the comments. Till we meet again, peace from Denleo Innovations.